Hey guys, welcome back to another makeover video. If you have been here for a while, you're probably realizing this does not look like my home, and that's because it's actually my sister's apartment. So today I am helping her transform her pantry into a beautiful and functional space, and I'm so excited to take you all along with me. So this is also going to be completely renter friendly, so you don't have to do anything crazy, put a lot of money into this makeover or anything, which is absolutely perfect if you are renting. And if you missed the video where we made over my sister's kitchen, I will link that video up above for you guys, as well as my makeover playlist down below in the description box so you can see how we ended up transforming her kitchen too. But the first thing that we wanted to do was just start out by pulling everything out of the pantry so that we could start with a clean and empty space. So to organize my sister's pantry, I wanted to organize her space on a budget, so I got everything from Target or the Dollar Tree, but I also saved even more money because I use the app Top Cashback, and if you've been with me for a while, you probably have heard me talk about them several times, but I have been using them for over a year now and I love them. I have earned so much money through their app in that time, and if you are unfamiliar with them, Top Cashback is an app or website where you can earn money back for your online purchases. They have over 4,000 retailers on their website like Hobby Lobby, Dollar Tree, Target, Dollar General, and the list goes on and on. So what you do is you go into their website or app and type in the name of the retailer that you are wanting to shop at. So for example, here I am searching for Target for lots of the bins that I will be using in my sister's pantry. And then once you find the retailer that you are looking for, it will take you directly to their store's website and you can just shop as normal and you will end up receiving cash back for the items that you purchase. It is so easy. They also have a browser extension on their website that you can install, and it just makes earning cash back even easier when you are shopping from your computer. And another thing that I love about Top Cash Back is that they don't have a minimum payout. So anytime that you earn some cash back, you can get your money back anytime you like. So I am super excited to be teaming up with Top Cash Back for this video, and they are offering y'all a free $10 sign up bonus when you spend $25 through their app. So not only are you going to be getting the cash back from your purchase, but you will also get that additional $10 cash back on top of that, so that can save you a ton of money with that offer. I know that right now we all have projects that we are wanting to tackle, and online shopping is what we are all doing, so I know that Top Cash Back will be so beneficial in making your dollar stretch a bit further while tackling those projects. So I will leave that link down below in the description box for you guys so you can take advantage of that offer and get that additional $10 back. But let me know if you guys have ever shopped with Top Cash Back in the past, and if so, what store do you find yourself shopping most through them? So here I wanted to show you how I completely transformed the look and functionality of the builder grade wire shelves that are in most pantries, and this was all done on such a crazy low budget with a huge impact. So all you need is poster board and then the decorative contact paper that you can find at the Dollar Tree, and next you will just measure the length and depth of your shelves and draw out a template on one of the poster boards. Then you are going to add on a few extra inches onto the poster board to act as kind of an overhang, which will end up covering the front part of the wire shelf, and that is the part that I just showed you bending. Then you will cut out the template that you created with a box cutter or scissors, and when you go to cut the overhang part, just make sure not to cut all the way through, but instead just cut partway through, and that way it can still bend, but it will still be intact. Next, you can take your contact paper and cover the top of the poster board to elevate the look of your new shelf covers. This part can be a little bit time consuming, but it does get easier the more you do it. And if you have an extra set of hands to help you, it is way nicer. So just a little tip there. And then you can really use anything smooth to push out all the little bubbles. But if you have an extra paint stir stick, that works so perfect for this. And one thing to keep in mind when doing this is that when you are covering the poster board with contact paper, do the top part first and then fold the overhang part and cover that after it's been folded so that it will hang down properly in the pantry, and then just repeat this process, making as many shelves as you need. So I was inspired to do this from seeing Catherine from Do It on a Dime do something very similar a while back. I love how simple and cheap this step was and how it really elevated the entire look of the pantry. So these are the items that I used in my sister's pantry, and most of them were from Target, but I will do my best to link them over on my website in this video's corresponding blog post, and I will also link that post down below for you guys. So here we are adding this over the door shelf, which helps create so much new space and function to her pantry. This is awesome because it hangs right on top of the door, and while it does say that you can attach it to the door with screws, we didn't end up doing that. And after several weeks of her and her family using this pantry, they have updated me saying that it worked out perfectly and they love this addition. And also I love that this piece was super customizable, so you can move the shelves and rods around to wherever they suit your needs best. Next, we wanted to go through all of her spices. She had so many, and she said that she only used a handful on a regular basis, and the rest of them were rarely ever used. So I had her go through them, consolidating any doubles that she had, and then putting them into two different piles. One is a regularly used pile, and the other one are spices that she rarely ever used. And then the ones that she used all the time would be put into the pantry for easy access, and the others ended up going up in her cabinets. Still easy enough to get to, but they just didn't take up that valuable pantry space. I'm sure a few of you guys noticed that we put all those spices up high in her cabinets if you saw my recent kitchen makeover video from her home, but if not, like I said, I will link that one up above for you guys. I love how it turned out. So here we just wanted to start organizing some snack bins for their family. So she had one of the smaller ones for her daughter so that she could easily grab things, and then she had one for her son's baby food, and finally a larger one just to kind of house some family snacks, overflow snacks, and things like mac and cheese. So one thing we noticed when we were going through her pantry and kind of making a game plan for how we were going to tackle this space was that she already had several containers that, while they didn't match completely, they were all clear and they all looked very cohesive. So we just decided to continue using those since they still worked for her, but then we just added in a few extras that she needed along with the white bins for additional storage.
Have an expiration.
Maybe before
he started to expiration dates. Like 50 years.
So there we had just found an item with no expiration date at all. It looked super old, so we were joking it was probably from back before they even made expiration dates. But I challenge you to see what is the oldest expired item that you can find or have found in the past in your pantry. So once again, I am making another adjustment on how I originally had set things up. Never feel overwhelmed when organizing. It is just all a process of trial and error, and it is completely normal to constantly be changing things up and trying new things. So here's the final product and how everything came together. I was so blown away by the before and after on this pantry makeover and the fact that we were able to do this on such a small budget. I hope that y'all enjoyed it too and got some ideas for your own space. And like I said earlier, I just shared my sister's kitchen makeover and I will be sharing her bathroom makeover next, so stay tuned for those. And if you would like to see more small space makeovers or more renter-friendly makeovers, leave a like on this video and also comment an emoji down below. Do not forget to check out Top Cashback and use my link down below so you can get that bonus $10 cash back. I hope you guys have an amazing day and be sure to subscribe down below if you are not already, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys!